You want field tested advice, not a sales brochure, so let's get into it. I'm the HVAC repair guy. Before I ever touched a residential unit, I spent years as a nuclear power electrician. In that world, if something fails, it isn't just an inconvenience, it's a crisis. I brought that same failure is not an option mentality to the HVAC game many years ago. Today, we're putting two heavy hitters in the ring: Bosch and Carrier. After scrubbing the data, we have a sanctioned matchup in the basic category. We're looking at the Bosch Climate 5000 series against the Carrier Comfort 22 series. These aren't the bells and whistles units. These are the workhorses. They are in the same class, designed for reliable, no-nonsense cooling and heating. Let's talk build quality. The Bosch Climate 5000 comes out swinging with a coated coil, which is your first line of defense against corrosion. This is especially important if you live near the coast or in a high humidity area. Carrier's Comfort series is built for responsive cooling, but in this entry-level tier, Bosch's focus on coil protection gives it a slight edge. On the tech side, we're looking at efficiency. The Bosch unit hits a 20.5 SEER rating, while the Carrier Comfort 22 can reach up to 22.2 SEER2. Both use inverter-driven variable speed compressors. Now, let's talk brass tacks, the 2026 pricing. For the equipment alone, a Bosch Climate 5000 condenser will typically run you between $1,400 and $1,700 for a standard single zone size. A similar Carrier Comfort unit is usually a bit higher, ranging from $2,000 to $2,400 for the hardware. When you factor in professional labor, permits, and materials for a 2026 install, you're looking at $3,500 to $5,000 for the Bosch, while the Carrier will likely land between $4,500 and $6,000. Before we hit the finish line, here's a pro tip. I don't care how much you spend on the unit if you don't clean the filters. Clogged filters kill airflow, spike your power bill, and eventually fry your motor. Pull those indoor filters every month and wash them. It's the cheapest insurance you'll ever buy. In the warranty battle, Bosch offers a solid 10-year registered warranty on the compressor and 5 years on parts. Carrier matches that 10-year parts warranty upon timely registration, but they often lack the extended unit replacement guarantees found in their higher tier series. The verdict: if you want the best bang for your buck in the basic category, Bosch takes the win. You get better efficiency for the price point and that critical coated coil protection for a lower installed cost. Carrier is a legendary name, but in this specific face-off, you're paying a premium for the badge without seeing a massive jump in performance. Shop like a pro and check out the head-to-head tool over at HVAC for Beginners to see how these stack up against your local quotes.